How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be comparing two hosting platforms being Bluehost and Google Domains. So we'll be going over its key features, what they're good for, as well as the pricing. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 75% off your very first Bluehost plan, as well as a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So if you guys want to learn more about that, be sure to check out that link as it greatly supports the channel. Now back to the video. So, two hosting sites or platforms, Bluehost and Google Domains. Now, I will say that Google Domains has more flexibility when it comes to hosting, as it can be used for a couple of different applications like e-commerce or dropshipping or a hosting website for a CRM or a database or literally anything, a wiki page or a fandom, whatever. Whereas Bluehost specializes more in WordPress hosting. And the nice thing about Bluehost is that if you look at it in the long run, it is a much cheaper option than Google Domains. As you can see here, right off the bat, the starting price for Bluehost is roughly $20. However, it goes up to 3 years, as you can see here. Now, Google Domains, on the other hand, is going to charge you $12 per year. Now, it goes without saying that WordPress has a more dedicated approach when it comes to hosting, whereas, like I said, Google Domains is more flexible and uses addresses like .com, .net, and .org. Also, I should note that you get a different bunch of options when it comes to WordPress. So there's one that's specialized for WooCommerce hosting, WordPress, VPS, Blue Sky Live, dedicated hosting, but it is going to set you back a lot more, as you can see here. Now let's talk about the offerings. Free trial, unfortunately, none of them have it. There's no free version of this that you can get online. There's also no consultation service or integration service for either Google Domains or Bluehost, as you can see here. Entry-level setup fee, there's no setup fee, which is cool. Now, the user insights, let's actually talk about this. So right off the bat, only Bluehost has answers for these testimonials. So implementation went as expected. So show you guys what I mean. The interface for this is very intuitive and pretty straightforward, so you should have no problems learning to operate Bluehost. Also, let's talk about the pros and cons. So Bluehost has SSL certificates, so this gives you the added layer of security when hosting. It's top notch, and you can also add new accounts. Whereas whereas Google Domains is all about convenience. It's very easy to use. And the interface, while it's not a knock on Bluehost, is also very intuitive. Now, let's talk about the cons. Service offerings, it's a little difficult to use, I suppose. But once you get it down, it's pretty reliable as a hosting site. It just has a very high skill floor to learn, or I should say a learning curve. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Whereas Google Domains, you don't get much technical support or online help, as Google is a pretty big company, so hosting is not their primary concern, so you won't get much support here. And here's a little preview on some of the user ratings. So usability, availability, support. So I guess support is where Bluehost deviates from Google Domains, as you get way more with Bluehost. Also some testimonials here saying that Bluehost is a pretty good all-around choice for web hosting and professional web development, as well as domain management. And as I've said, they're ideal for WordPress, as Bluehost kind of specializes in integration with WordPress. So, yeah, that's basically it. So at the end of the day, the choice is up to you guys, depending on what your website is for or what you're going to use it for. If you're going to use it for a database management site, then obviously go for Bluehost. But if you're going to use it for something else, then you could go for Google Domains. But yeah, that's basically it. So right before we end the video here, I just want to quickly remind you guys that you can get 75% off your first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So hopefully you guys learned something from this video, and if you did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.